Should I put these back on now? Thanks. Hi guys, I'm Mogli. I'm an artist from Berlin. I do music, I make movies, I'm into fashion and much more. And I'm trying to make an impact with topics that I care about, like sustainability. And yeah, I'm trying to use my platform. In the last episode, I got a great insight into what the team is doing to make global change in the industry. And in this episode, I'm meeting with Marius to learn more about sustainable fabrics. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hi, I'm Mogli.
Hi Mogli, I'm Marius.
Nice
Welcome.
to meet you.
You want to see the library?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Fabric library? Okay.
This way?
Walk with me, yes, please, this way. I'm Marius van Putten. I'm living in the Netherlands at the coast, in Castricum, a small village. I'm working as a senior manager sourcing and production and raw materials.
Let's see, where do I want to put it? Oh yeah, it's on turtle mode. There's a turtle and a rabbit here. I think I would be fine. Oh my gosh, so fast. So my first question of the day is, what do you love about denim?
I'm passionate about it because it's always evolving and you can really improve things, especially on sustainability and making it a better product.
So you work a lot with fabrics every day. What is your favorite innovation when it comes to fabric?
The fabric innovation we're most proud of is post-20 recycled cotton, where we put it in nowadays in the whole collection, and we achieved that in the last 5 years. Next to that, we do a 100% recycled program, which is really an innovation we took on.
You already told me more about fabric innovations. Can you just show me some samples and explain more about your techniques?
Of course. Initially we did this one, the post-20 recycled. So here 20% of this fabric is recycled fabric, which we combine with normal BCI cotton. And then the next latest one we have, and that's a selvage, a special fabric. Okay. 100% pre-consumer recycled. Completely 100%.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
We combine different components in our composition to make it sustainable. So we find, for example, hemp, or we find resin cotton these days now, to really put it in our composition and really make it the next level.
That's really cool, because I didn't even know that you could make denim out of something else than cotton. So that's really cool to hear.
And that's really the interesting part of it.
What do you have in mind when you source a fabric?
First of all, we do it with our key partners. We select fabric based on the need and on the innovation on sustainability. So together we are going to deep dive in the composition of the fabric to see where we can replace cotton into a sustainable fiber.
Would you say you're a denim head?
Kind of. Yes.
Also privately, do you wear a lot of jeans?
Yes, only.
Yeah. With all of these amazing developments you already told me about, how do you make sure that you will keep innovating in the future?
How we keep innovating in the future is always evolving and looking forward to see if we can find replacements for regular cotton.
So transparency is getting more and more important, and I'm super curious to hear, what does your supply chain look like?
Our supply chain, we like to keep it quite close to home, so the footprint is less. So our supply chain is mainly Turkey, Tunisia, Egypt, Amsterdam. That's the triangle we try to work. So our denims are coming all out near of Europe, basically.
That was super insightful, and it opened my eyes to how many alternatives there are when it comes to fabric, like hemp or recycled cotton. And it's super cool to see Tommy Jeans exploring this. Next time, I'm going to see the washing process and the laundry facility. Thanks, guys.